All right, today I'm going to discuss about the work I just finished now. All right, so I built a company website so where they are managing the activity of the company. So now they decided to change the initial domain they are using for the company. So I bought a new domain for them from Namecheap. I integrated it into the application and then it's now live running. So the beautiful aspect of it is that the old domain is working and then the new domain is equally working and equally the subdomain is equally working. So I'm going to show you some part of it, the work I just did. Although due to the privacy aspect, I'm going to cover some of the URLs so that it's not going to be exposed to the public. All right, now, so as you can see here, the platform where I hosted, so you can see we have this URL. This is equivalent URL. This is equally equivalent URL. This is equivalent URL. So the web application can be accessible using this, using this, using this, and uses that. So that is also, as you can see, they are all integrated. And additionally, they equally have additional bonus. If this anything happens to this URL, they can still access the website through the subdomain provided by the hosting company. That is actually cool. Video with some of the information of my recent work, what I have done before, since now I already have some of the gadget that can help me to communicate with you in the digital world.